ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯁꯦ ꯑꯟꯇꯆ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯨꯔꯣꯞꯇꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ knows few words of Manipuri, so say that. View se manung sila sanganga yengsi. Tato.
Ja, wie lange die Flüge?
Oh, okay. Volcano manung da sangsi. Stay capturo maya sida capturo visão olhando do Chihuahua.
En castellano. Nada, me dan 2 minutos, lo digo en inglés y tiramos para adentro. English speakers, we need to understand where we're going to be. We need to know how was this cave formed. And that happened 20,000 years ago. We back in the time, the biggest mountain around this place is named Corona Volcano. And that Corona Volcano made an explosion, right? In that eruption, the volcano expels thousands of tons of lava, and all that lava starts to fluid in the middle of one canyon. We got a big canyon next to the volcano. With the lavas in there, create rivers of lava. That rivers of lava going from the mountain to the sea, and in that way, the superior part of the lava in the rivers of lava gets solidified. In contact with the air, getting in a rock, these rocks, all that are lava solidified. Right. Under the top, the lava keeps flowing, still being hot, the volcano is still doing eruption, right? The lava is now going over, is going under, and 2 years later, Corona Volcano stopped the eruptions, no more lava. But the pipe have liquid inside, the lava. With the time, all the lava get out, right? The gravity put the liquid outside to the tunnel and go to the sea. When all the lava is out, create a large volcanic pipe. That pipe are 7 kilometers long, and we are going to walk just 1 kilometer of that 7. That kilometer in the Greece cave have transitable floor, have stairs, have handrails. We got security cameras, we got illumination in some parts of the cave, and you have somebody guiding you. Today, me, right? That's what you're gonna see in a couple of minutes. Now, I need to know, do you want to know something before the start of the visit? Anything? ¿Se anima? ¿Se va a animar? Ole, muy bien. Bravo, vamos para adelante. Cuidado con la cabeza, por favor.
Let's go near to this guy. Yeah.
On essaie de rester tous les trois. Ah oui.
Wow.
Sacré.
Look at this.
All about lava.
Yeah. Camera sa di am chao no udre but ku chao ang khang bra. Yango. Hey, makhayam ko mi. Mi yun si dang so. Ya makas. Kutla chang. I forward our reggae do maya yeng biyo ko because it's very sange hairaga kanbi gano kay volcano manung dane changi se noi phawalakpagi matang dane ko. Oh shit, look at this. Wow, yang uta Ngasay kumakpang pamdo. Basta kumay sa ubrami miyam. Sida sumay na kumain na. Masay na kumain ngasay ko eh.
Right? If you want to see something green, just call me, I do this, and you're gonna see my shirt, my uniform, right? Centuries 16 and 17, we're back in the time, right? Pirates from North Africa came to Lanzarote. When that pirates came, that people stole everything from the local people. They stole the animals, they stole the food, the water, everything, right? One family of local shepherds tired of that situation, trying to find one refugee, one place to be hide when the pirates came, right? The refugee is this place, exactly where you are right now, right? They saw the pirates came to the sea, all the shepherds around you get inside of here to be hide, to be protected. The pirates gone, the families go out. The name of the first family finding the refugee was the Greens family. It's named like that for the family. Do you understand? Are you well? You want to keep going?
Yes.
Sí, seguimos. Venga.
Let's go. It's very nice. Yeah. Theater type the lay young chokri guitar as the moise music as the kind of what do never Mataktaga Pamaga is hay saktok saksin get over Zane moise.
Sida cherry bamba mi se picture se si naman na yung view ko amta.
Ising oiler. Ising mami ni ko se makada kano makun lay baman. Optical Illusion saying siko sila chilling kasi minute ani chang kaniba. Wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! Dios! Wow! This is awesome. Wow. What's this? Oh, although something I really like about this place, kasi mapamse akogi India the higher north is the antacham oidana ko atumaina Europe the sushi area se antachoe. Hamdi tourist yamna lagte mi yamna lagte aduduna yam su fazai mi singse chinde mafam amadagi dama chappada aduga kari haini Manipur dai mi kam la amada ki khangda mi tara phana la amadra khangdi si mafam se da ko yam thina fazai kaino dadi mafam Canary one of the Canary Island amadadi hoi maitai macha de kangpokpi dagi ama thabaka tawraga layena di hai but this is so untouched and beautiful. Wow. This is what we call. I have no words to describe this beauty. Wazaman. Tin bazay. Tin bazay. Tin bazay. Baby said tin bazay.
Tin paise.
Tin paisay natin.
Tin paise na che.
No, tina bazay.
Tina pazai. Tuk lao.
Tuk lao eh.
Say Manipuri,
Yeah.
a traveling guy.
Okay. My advertise. So.
Handsome,
Okay. So.
big sex. No.
Okay, hojik hojare. Promotion registration started. Single guy. Mase bachelor ne ado somna form thawi ba hoba yar kani Manipur da la kani ma magi nupi thiba. Pambi be yarogadi comment below. He also knows few words of Manipuri, so say that.
Anubi.
Wow! Beautiful, thunderful.
I think I'm gonna stay here
Okay,
forever and ever.
then who will drive us home?
I don't know.
Wow! Pazaye! Ay, nupase.
Fermez sa gueule. Goodbye Wanderlust Tita. Bye bye. Mais t'es long.